Hello students and welcome once again to Mr. Amit's maths class. Today we learned a nice poem to remember the table for 3. The poem goes like this. As you all know, row, row, row the boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. In the same way, we can remember the table of 3 like this. Sing with me. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24 and 27, 30 and you're done. Cool? You want to repeat once again? Okay, it goes like this. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24 and 27, 30 and you're done. So you try to revise, try to recite this poem again and again at home, and you will remember the table of 3. Okay? Perfect. Then today we also learned something very new. What did we learn? We learned how to use patterns to solve addition and subtraction problems. Patterns. What are patterns? Let's see. See, patterns are sequences like this, where you see something is changing. Which number is changing? You see 6 is becoming 7 here. And rest everything is the same. 7 is becoming 8. 8 becomes 9. So my dear students, what is happening? How come 6 is becoming 7, 7 is becoming 8? So somebody is adding something. We are adding something. What are we adding? Okay, so we are adding 100. When we add 100 to this number, 3 remains same, 2 remains same, and 6 plus 1 becomes 7. So that's how the sequence is formed, the pattern is formed. Again, when 7 becomes 8, again they are adding 100. Then 8 becomes 9, again they are adding 100. So can you see plus 100, plus 100, plus 100? This makes a pattern. Similarly, if you see this another pattern down here, this pattern, you see the change. 4 becomes 5, then 5 becomes 6, and 6 becomes 7. Okay, so what is happening, my dear friends? So they are adding something. What are they adding? What are they adding? Okay, they are adding 1 here, and the rest numbers is 0. So they're actually adding 1000. Adding 1000 will make it 5923. Then again you plus 1000. Again plus 1000. It will give you 6923. Then again plus 1000 and so on. Understood? So this gives you a pattern. This we call it as a pattern. Also a sequence in maths. Let's see some questions. On page 71, if you see, they have asked identify and complete the number pattern. First you have to identify what are they adding. They're adding 10 or 100 or 1000. First you have to identify, and then you have to complete the pattern. If you see carefully, this 2 is becoming 3. Then 3 becomes what? I don't know. And you see 5 becomes 6. So they are doing something in the thousands place, isn't it? They are doing something. They are adding what? 1 in the thousands place. Excuse me. So basically they are adding 1 in the thousands place and then 0, 0, 0. So that means they are adding 1000. You can see here also the place that is changed in the value is thousands place. So the thousand place is changed in the value. Can you see that? 2 becomes 3. So therefore, they have added 1000. So to know what number is this, we add 1000 to this number. Add 1000 to this number. So that's what they have done here. They took this number 13,345 and then they added 1000. Can you see 1000? So 5 plus 0, 5, 4 plus 0, 4, 3 plus 0, 3, and 3 plus 1 is 4. And then 1 copy as it is. So the underlined number is this number. The number which we want to find is this number. Understood? Okay. So I hope you understood. They are adding 1000. Whenever they are going to the next number, they are adding 1000. And hence, we get 14,345 as the final answer, which is this. Okay. So first thing, we have to identify the pattern. The second thing, we have to add that patterned number to the previous number to get the next number. Okay. Let's do some sums on this. On page 71, if you go down, there are some questions. First question, 100 less than 877. 100 less than. What do you mean by less than? When you do anything less, it is minus. When you do anything more, it is plus. So less than means minus. I will write here so that you can remember for the entire chapter that less than means minus. And more than means plus. So more than means plus. Okay. Okay, students. So now 100 less than this 877. So from 877 you have to minus 100. Naqas. So that's very simple. 877 minus 100. It's simple. 7 minus 0, 7. 7 minus 0, 7. 8 minus 1. So 8 minus 1. So when you do minus 1, it becomes 7. So the answer is 777. Very easy peasy. Okay. Then next. Question 2. 10,000 more than 6,310. What do you mean by more than? More than means increase, plus. You have to add. So I simply take 6,310 and I add to this 10,000. 10,000. How much do I get? So 0, 1, 3, 6 and a 1. So this makes this 16,310. Understood? More than means plus. You have to add both the numbers. Let's see the third one. I think it's very easy. You can try it at home also now. 10 more than 1,146. What do you mean by more than? More than means plus. So 1,146, you add 10 to it and it becomes simply 6 plus 0, 6, 4 plus 1, 5, 1 and 1. So that's how we get 1156. That's the answer, 1156. Is that okay? Now you can try question 4, question 5 and question 6 as a homework. It's very easy. Remember, less than means you have to do minus from that number. More than means you have to add to that number. Is that okay? So I hope you understood today's class. I'll see you tomorrow with something new to study. Okay? Till then, bye-bye. Masalama.